Walking through La Spezia in Italy. I'm gonna go meet the guys for a cappuccino. Italy is probably one of my favorite places right now.
Ciao.
Ciao.
Right now it's raining though. Weather's a little poor. Let's see what the guys are up to.
Not my Batman. You got it? Sick cuz.
Found the guys.
Sick cuz. My bad.
Your battery's low,
Oh, damn. Yo, you didn't charge your phone?
bro. Cappuccino, bro. Let's drink this
Do
stuff.
that in Italy.
Alright, boys. I think the people really want to know what ship life says.
What do they want to see?
About ship life.
What do they want to see? Ship life. Oh,
Ship life is ship life is all about
It's cool.
cappuccinos.
Good. Cappuccinos in Italy.
Cappuccino with the bros, or cappuccino bros.
Cappuccino talk.
Yeah, cappuccino. Yeah.
I'm just looking up the specs of my GoPro. Mine's the older version.
I have no idea.
Shuffling through things. Get out of the way. You know.
All the way from Queen West.
All the way from Queen West. All the way to Burlington.
All the way from Burlington.
From downtown Burlington.
So the Raptors lost by 1 yesterday.
Oh my god, I love the Raptors.
So what could we tell these guys about the day in their life? We work a lot.
Wow.
Save a lot.
Trying to say. I don't know about that.
Well, this guy drinks more than anybody.
Drink more than a whale. And then I have friends that drink too, so I gotta make them drink too.
Trying to find some Stone Island right now.
Stone Island.
You going for pizza?
I'm down for whatever.
Look at the sights. Sights, bro. Bro, that's great. So reconvene when we find the Stone Island. Store located. Stone Island found. We're found. Alright guys, so we caught the Stone Island piece. Found the stone. I think it was like 85 euros for a shirt. It's alright. It happens.
Good day. How much was the other one? 120?
The other one was 89.
This was a little bit cheaper.
Yeah.
Just a little bit.
Just a little bit.
Just a little bit.
So welcome back to the ship. That'll work.
Back to that ship life.
Yeah. Good day.
These are those Nutella.
Putting the guys on the Nutella wave.
On with that Nutella. Let's see it.
How was that, fam? That's fucking lit. Bless? So blessed.
Who's back?